What up? This your boy back at it. All right, this time we have a no-name denim jacket. Super no-name. This old no-name, it don't even have pockets. Just two front there, but no side pockets. This was a thrift store pickup, I think for like $1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet it, put it the bottom half of it, maybe to about right here in bleach. And then the goal is to do like a pink and something else. But I know definitely the bottom half, pink. I don't know about the rest of it, but let's get it popping. So here's our setup here. I got it hanging on the back of a table into a bucket. I'm gonna pour the bleach in here. I'm using scented bleach, cheap dollar store scented bleach. And that's mainly because it can be kind of hard to get the bleach stain out, so. I might add water to it as well. Typically, you're supposed to do like a cup of water for every gallon of bleach, or you do your own ratio. I usually go for a really harsh strip, so I do very little dilution when I do this. Next bottom. And very last bottle. Also, I should be wearing gloves as well, but it's okay. All right. We will let it sit for a little while, maybe 30 minutes, and see what happens. So this is what we got. Got a little dirty when I washed it, but I really like how this is faded. I mean, not faded, but I really like how it bleached. It's actually lighter than this, but I've already wet it. But it's got a nice line going all the way across. We got petal pink red dye. I'm actually going to do the pink on the sleeves and the bottom half. I think it's going to create a real cool look. So, all right, about to get it started. All right, I'm going to start right in here. Oh, man, got a little too dirty. Wiggle it off. Not dirty, but that mulch from where I washed it off outside. All right. Turn it. Nyla, I got Nyla here. Nyla, go to the garage, give me another big piece of cardboard. I need to cover up the part I don't want to get in. Wetting it up here, wetting it up. I think I want to leave a little blue in between to darken that. Nyla? I think I'm going to put this there just to keep. All right, so now I'm just going to put this one right here. All right, cool. Now we ready to roll. Just keep going over it.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be, I was telling them, the bottom half is gonna be pink, and it's gonna fade into the blue. You can just kind of keep going over it. I kind of don't want to go past this part right here, so just be mindful of that. And then once you think you got it saturated enough, we're gonna turn it over and do the other side.
This seems like well, when you do it, it seems like a little bit of a pinky red. But I think when it gets washed out and dried, it'll be completely red. Well, maybe will. But you'll have to see at the end. If you want to do this at home, you should probably try it outside, as probably mentioned in all the other videos. I guess now I'm just mixing it in.
How's it going, Nyla?
Good.
Make sure you get the sleeves good. I think it's gonna end up more red than pink, unfortunately.
Did you hear me talking?
I don't know. Yeah, go on that side right over there. You got it? Not up there, not up there, not up there, not up there. Remember, up under where the box is. The what? Yes. Flatten it out with your hand. Shoot, I don't have no gloves. So flatten it out so I get all the creases.
There's a spot.
That's fine. We're going through this whole bottle pretty good. Move your hand. I ain't gotta rub it in. I just said flatten it out. All right, now hold that. All right, let's turn it over. We got a spot up here. That's fine. Wait a minute. You go ahead and put it over. Like right in here. Yeah, about right here. All right, you gonna just start it? And then spray. Oh! Wait. Tighten it up. Start it. I'll give it to you to finish it up.
I do hope
it's cold. Yeah, look good. You ain't gotta flat. I mean, you ain't gotta like splash it. Stand right there. Just do it. Put it back on. Let me see it. Win. All right. A little more.
So what color are you trying to do?
Well, I was going for it. Remember, it was supposed to be pink, but I don't know how pink it'll be. It looked like it'd just be all red, but whatever. Whatever happens, happens.
That was cool.
Yeah, well. All right. What up? All right, here we go. Final result. You know what? This came out perfect. mainly because there's a nice defined line between what's the pink denim and up here. And so putting it on that hanger how I had it set up, that was perfect because it set in that exact same spot and was able to get bleached just perfectly. And then shout out to Nyla. I'll say hello.
Hello.
You did a great job of bleaching the pink, and so this is cool. I'm the kind of person that wears pink pants, white pants, or light colored denim. This was cool. See the back, see the sleeves. This is perfect. This is A1. A1. This is fresh. All right, I'm out. Peace.